Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this sunflower tea light candle holder coaster. Please watch video till end. Use brown yarn for middle circle. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual, we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we make a chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and we will join it. See, first we will make a chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join it in the third stitch. Like first is the stitch where we started from, then we will skip second stitch, and in third stitch we will join the last stitch with the slip stitch. Again we will make a chain of 3 chain crochet stitches, skip the second stitch, and third stitch we will join it. Sorry for the background noise, my kid is playing. Okay, now this chain of 3 chain crochet stitches which we join in the third stitch, we skip second stitch and we join in the third stitch. This we are going to do all around the circle. Okay, I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now see, here I am done with those chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, I've done it all around the circle. Now what we are going to do, that second skip stitch which we have skipped in while joining every chain. Okay, in that second stitch we are going to make 4 double crochet stitches, and those we will make by from behind the chain. We are going to make all 4 double crochet stitches from behind the chain. Okay, so this is how. So in each second stitch which we have skipped, in each second stitch we are going to make 4 double crochet stitches from behind the chain. So this is a pattern. Okay, you can increase your coaster or circle as bigger as you can want to. Okay, it will come into a flat circle. So this is a pattern. First you need to make a chain, and once you are done with those chain, joining those chain, then in that skip stitch make 4 double crochet stitches. just make it all around and join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, I'm done with that second round also. Okay, and again you want to increase it. Again make a complete round of chains, 3 chain. Skipping second stitch, join it in the third stitch, and you want to increase it more. Then in every second stitch which we have skipped, make 4 double crochet stitches from behind. Now we are going to make petals in every chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. So first we join a yellow color yarn by just making a slip stitch with the chain. That's it. Okay, it's quite simple. Now we make a chain of 10 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we are done with 10 chain crochet stitches. Now in each single stitch we will make 10 double crochet stitches till end. So I'll just complete this. Just remember, we are making in each single stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So it is like in every single chain crochet stitch it's going to be 1 double crochet stitch. So total 10 chain crochet stitches are there. So it will be 10 double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. I'm so sorry for the background noise. My kids are playing. I'm so sorry. See, now here we are done with all our double crochet stitches. This is my last double crochet stitch. Now I'll join the last stitch with the chain again with a slip stitch. See, I'll again make a slip stitch with the chain. There. Now again I make a slip stitch with next chain and start the same process again. I'll make 10 chain crochet stitches. Then in each single chain crochet stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch till end and join the last stitch with the chain, and then again make a slip stitch with the next chain. So this whole process we are going to do in all chains of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, so these are all our petals. Okay, this is only the first round. More 2 rounds will go. So then like our final like petals will be completed. I'll just complete this thing. See, this is how it is going to look. This is the first round. Now in this next round we will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch all around the border of a petal. But starting we will make a slip stitch with the chain, then start with each single stitch we will make a single crochet stitch all around the petal, and by end again we will join it with the slip stitch with the chain, and in next chain we will make a slip stitch. Okay, so this process is starting and ending process is same. We are starting with the slip stitch, ending with the slip stitch on the chain, and then again we are going to next chain by making a slip stitch. Okay, so just remember, we are making 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch of the petal all around the border. Okay, and we will start with the slip stitch and end with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. See, here we are done with that round of all single crochet stitches. Now comes the last round. Now what we are going to do, again we will start with a slip stitch and with the slip stitch, and plus we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the border. Okay, first we reach the topmost stitch by making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Then I'll tell you what we are going to do once we reach the topmost stitch. First I will complete this and I'll show you. Now see, here we have reached our topmost stitch. Now we will make two chain crochet stitches, and in first stitch we will make a slip stitch. Okay, now see, in first stitch we make a slip stitch, and now again rest of the half we will go with the same process. We will make one slip stitch in each single stitch till end, and by end we will join last stitch with the slip stitch to the chain of 3. Okay, I'll just complete this thing, and like we are done now. This was the last one. This is one round I have made. If you want to make 2 rounds, so I have already told you the process. Like make those chain of 3 chain crochet stitches all around the round, and to increase it more, you skip that second stitch and join in the third stitch every chain. So in that second stitch you make 4 double crochet stitches from behind that chain. So following these two steps, you can go on increasing it as much as you want. I'll just show you my final piece. So this is how a final piece looks like. This is like I have made only one round of petal. You can go for a second round also. Those who have already subscribed my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, I request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, and already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. You can refer them and they are quite easy to understand. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.